So the style rules were designed to help keep average looking dudes looking average. Because the truth is that even if you dress well in terms of an outfit that matches from a store that doesn't suck, it does not mean that you're stylish. Stylish dudes do things a little bit differently. Today, guys, I'm going to go over a few rules that stylish men break that you should break too, if you want to be stylish, because that's one of the other things and misconceptions is that dudes think that, hey, my outfit matches, I'm stylish. No, you're not stylish. You're just dressing not horribly. Gentlemen, if you're ready, drop me one of these. And if you're ready for the sexiest badass clothing company on the planet, Cuts, gentlemen, yes, the Henley from them. If you want to check them out along with all the other amazing Cuts clothing they have recently dropped, guys, hit that special link down below. That link is special. It is going to give you a discount on the most badass, sexy ass clothing out there for men. They not only have perfect, and when I mean perfect, I mean perfect Henleys, wait for it, the quarter zip Sherpas. Guys, they have just dropped a line of Sherpas. This one actually has a little pouch in the front. It is so comfortable, so sexy, and it's just going to set you apart from all the other average dudes out there wearing basic ass, boring outerwear this fall. And guys, the other really cool thing, Cuts also has a woman's line that you and your spicy senorita are going to love. Guys, I'm going to link to Cuts down below. Go through that link because it's special. It's going to give you the Alpha M discount at checkout. It will automatically apply. But if you haven't been to Cuts in a while, now is the time. Check out their Henleys, their hoodies, their long sleeve tees, their jackets, their joggers, everything they sell is amazing, which brings me to the first rule that stylish men break that you need to break too, and that is don't go to the Gap. Let me explain. So as I mentioned before, I love the Gap for basic men's clothing, but the operative word is basic. Stylish men know that it's not just about the stores that you find in the mall, which is why it's so critical for you to start investing and looking at different stores and options as opposed to the same basic boring stuff you're going to find at JCPenney. Which is why stylish guys know that it's about the off-brands, going online, and that's one of the beautiful things about the time in which we live, right? In the old days, you had to go to the mall in order to get anything stylish, but now with the internet, there are all these amazing boutique-y brands like Cuts that basically is able to offer you a premium quality for an incredible price. Because the other reality is that a lot of the stores that you're going to find in the mall are actually now making their clothing cheaper, selling them for the same price, and the quality you're going to find at a store like Cuts is better than the stuff you're going to find at the Gap. Which brings me to the second rule that stylish dudes break that regular dudes just don't, and that is spending more on less clothing. And what I mean by this is a lot of times the guy mentality, right, is get a lot of stuff. I'd rather buy 5 cheap shirts as opposed to one high quality one that's going to look amazing and last for years. Stylish guys understand it's about investing in the highest quality item you can afford. When you actually try on and start investing in higher quality items, you're going to notice a few things. The fit is always pretty much going to be better. And the fabric, it's all about the fabric and the construction. It's higher quality, which means it's not going to get all stretched out and lose its shape, not to mention it's going to last you for years, which brings me to the third rule that stylish guys break that you need to break too. Don't buy trends, buy timeless classics. Stylish guys are not getting all caught up in the hype and buying overpriced items just because it's got a brand name or a logo. That's actually something that stylish guys don't do. They really try to focus on a higher quality item that's going to be timeless. They don't want to waste money. Because they are investing in higher quality items, they need these items to last them and be more versatile. The next rule that you need to start breaking if you want to be considered stylish is above. And what I mean by that is dress above everybody else in the room. One of the big things that a lot of guys do is they try to blend in, they try to fit in. They want to make sure that they don't stand out too much. Stylish guys are like, F it, I want to stand out for all the right reasons, for being better dressed than you. The next rule that stylish guys break that you need to break is not being afraid to show off your body. All right, what I mean by this is average style dudes are notorious for wearing clothing that's too big, too baggy. They don't want to show off the fact that they work out. Stylish dudes are like, yo, I'm going to maximize my physique by wearing clothing that highlights my positive attributes and minimize my perceived negatives. And that is one of the reasons why I am so obsessed with the brand Cuts. All of their clothing are cut for dudes that want to show that they work out, even if they don't necessarily work out a ton. Check it out, the classic Cuts V V-neck, all right? Black, notice the sleeves, not super long, which is what you're gonna find in most off-the-rack clothing, right? Super long. In order to make your arms look big, you gotta get those sleeves up to the proper area, exposing the tricep meat area, right? Now, the body of the shirt, not super tight, but it's strategically snug in the chest. And then the hem, that's the other really badass thing about cuts. You actually get to choose not only the neck, the sleeve length, but you get to choose whether or not you want curved, you want split, or you want elongated. And that's one of the other things that stylish dudes know, right? They know that it's the subtle details, right? If you look at this t-shirt, right, it's a black V-neck t-shirt, but it's the details, the fabric, the fit, all right, the depth of the V, the curve of the hem. And that's one of the things that stylish guys do. They choose clothing that accentuates their body. They also aren't afraid to show a little man cleavage and definitely some forearm action. Gentlemen, skin to win and be sexier. The next rule that stylish guys break is they don't dress their age, right? Everybody's worried about dressing their age. What does that even matter? You're as young as you feel. Do not let the old man creep into your mind or your style. It doesn't mean you got to dress in like Abercrombie, but there's a way to blend a youthful look and vibe with any age outfit that you're rocking. Gentlemen, this is a perfect example, right? I'm going with the green cargo pants, slim fit. I'm also rocking the perfect cuts, white Henley, and then over top, I'm rocking a bomber jacket. Bomber jackets are an amazing option that work not only for dudes that are 12, but dudes that are 45, 50, 60, it doesn't even matter. When you buy timeless and classic items, they work over the years. Next thing that stylish guys break in terms of rules that you need to start breaking is don't fucking worry about what other people think. This one is one of the ones that F's with a lot of dudes, right? One of the things that I hear from guys is I want to dress better, but I don't want people to notice. What the hell's the point? And what does it matter? You do not need to be afraid or ashamed that you want to dress well. And that's the thing that stylish guys do better than other dudes. They own it. They embrace it. They want to look amazing. There is nothing wrong with looking sexy. The next rule that stylish guys break is never letting somebody else, including their stylish girl, their grandma, their mom, their weird Uncle Barry, shop for them. Gentlemen, one of the biggest mistakes that men make in terms of looking average is letting other people decide what they wear. It's your job to identify what you love, because part of the battle is confidence, gentlemen. Confidence, gentlemen. When you dress with purpose and intention and love the man you see looking back at you in the mirror in terms of style and aesthetic, it's amazing what happens. When you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you do good. But if you let somebody else choose your style, what you're wearing, you are allowing them to dictate your image, which is unacceptable. And stylish guys know that it's their responsibility. Gentlemen, do not accept less than amazingness in terms of your style, in terms of your confidence, in terms of you looking attractive.